Hey guys, so this is Mrs. Carrillo, and today we're going to be doing an activity to help you identify the prime and composite numbers between 1 and 100. So we're going to be using a simple hundreds chart. So this is a hundreds chart, and down at the bottom I went ahead and labeled prime, neither, and composite. Okay, so prime numbers are numbers that have exactly two factors, one and itself. Okay, and a composite number is a number that has more than two factors. Okay, and I'm going to show you what that means in a minute. Okay, so we're going to be using three colors. Okay, I used yellow, blue, and green. Okay, and we're gonna start with blue. So the number 1 is going to be colored blue because the number 1 is the only number in the entire world that is not prime and it's not composite. Okay, it is neither. It's independent, all by itself. It's very special. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be skip counting by 2, 3, and 5. Okay, so we're going to start with 2. So the number 2 is the very first prime number, so we're going to color that number yellow. Okay, now from here we're gonna get our green, and we're gonna use our green marker to color all of the multiples of 2, or we're gonna be skip counting by 2. Okay, so 2, and then we're gonna go to 4. Then we're going to go to 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now here you should start to notice a pattern. If you notice, we are going to be coloring every other column. Okay, the columns are the ones that go straight down. So all of the numbers that end in an even number, like 2, all of these have a 2 at the end. So all of these are even, so we're going to color all of those. Then all of these have a 4 at the end. That means it's also even. So we're going to color all of these. All of these have a 6 at the end, so we're going to color all of these. All of these have an 8 at the end, so we're going to color all of these. And all of these have a 0 at the end, so we're going to color all of these too. Okay, So half of our hundreds chart is already colored. Now we're going to go to our second prime number, and the second prime number is 3. So we're going to color that yellow because it's prime. Now, guess what we're going to do? We're going to count or skip count by 3s, okay? So 3, 6, oh, that's already colored because it was also a multiple of 2. 9. 9 is not colored, so we're going to color that one. 12. 15. So we're going to color 15. 18. 21. 24. 28. I'm sorry, 27. 30. 33. 36. 39. 42. 45. 48. 51. 54. 57. 60. 63. 66. 69. 72. 75. 78. 81. 84. 87. 90. 93. 96. 99. Okay, now let's go to the next prime number. The next prime number is 5. So we're going to color that yellow. Now, 5s are easy because all the multiples of 5 have a 5 or a 0 at the end. So if you notice, all of the 5s are right here. So we're going to color this entire row. Now, all of the ones that have 0 at the end are already colored, so we don't have to worry about those. Now, the last prime number that we're going to color is 7. Now, this time, we're going to count by 7s. So, 7, 14, it's already colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21 is already colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 28 is already colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35 is already colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 42 is already colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, 49 has not been colored, so we need to color that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 56 is already colored. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 63 is already colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70 is already colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 77 has not been colored, so we're going to color that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 84 has already been colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 91. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. So, all of the numbers that are left over are your prime numbers. So I want you to get your yellow, and we're going to color those yellow. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 is prime, 17 is prime, 19 is prime, 23 is prime, 29 is prime, 31 is prime, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, finally 97. So by going through all of the multiples of 2, 3, 5, and 7, you are able to find all of your prime numbers between 1 and 100. Okay, so now you can use this sheet as a reference to find your prime and composite numbers. And remember, the only number that's not prime and not composite is the number 1. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Remember, your prime numbers have exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. All of the other numbers have more than 2 factors, okay? So for example, 4, I can multiply 1 times 4 and 2 times 2, okay? For all of these numbers, the only numbers I can multiply to get them is 1 times that number, and that's it. Hope this was helpful.